Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, officially upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11. Click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Windows Insider Program. Click Get Started. Click Microsoft Account, click Continue. Type your Microsoft account and password. Select Dev Channel, click Confirm. Click Confirm, click Restart Now. Click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Windows Insider Program. Click Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Windows 11 Insider Preview Release downloading. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.